I stopped eating these 5 foods and my knee pain went away. Yes, my knee pain went away almost completely. Every now and then I still have a little nagging knee pain, but I was waking up every morning with my knees hurting, and now that doesn't happen anymore. So I'm Karin from Karin Yoga Life. I'm a certified wellness coach and yoga teacher, and I wanted to share with you the 5 foods that I stopped eating to make my knee pain go away. So I tried an experiment earlier this year. I really gave up all the foods that were considered inflammatory because I wanted to see if this anti-inflammatory diet really was effective. I wanted to see if it would work for me. So I'm going to share with you the 5 foods I gave up and it made my knee pain go away. This anti-inflammatory diet really worked for me. So everybody's different. Remember, everybody's different. May not work for you, but I really wanted to share it to see if it would work for you too. So the first thing I gave up was sugar. Yes, I gave up sugar. It was difficult. It was hard. I didn't give it up 100%, but I really tried to stop eating all the refined sugar. So that's cookies and cake and ice cream and all those things with lots of refined sugar. So I still did eat fruit. Fruit is natural sugar. I still did eat fruit, but I really tried to give up refined sugar almost completely. The second thing I gave up was flour. Again, that's refined flour, so bread, pastas, crackers, cookies. Refined flour really is inflammatory for lots of people. So I gave up flour almost completely and I replaced it with lots of other yummy foods. So I really encourage you to consider giving up flour to see if it will make a difference to your knee pain. The third thing I gave up was alcohol. Yes, I gave up alcohol. Also challenging because I like my wine, I like my beer, but I did give up alcohol almost completely for the whole month that I was doing this experiment, and I think that it definitely contributed to my knee pain going away. Wine can be very inflammatory for some people, so I really try to not drink nearly as much as I used to help my knee pain. The fourth thing I gave up was dairy. Yes, milk, cheese, ice cream. Now, dairy doesn't bother some people, and I didn't know if it would bother me or not, but I gave up dairy for the month that I was doing this anti-inflammatory diet to see if it made a difference for me. The last thing, the fifth thing I gave up was processed foods. So that's anything that's super ultra processed, like maybe comes in a box that has many different ingredients on it. There's different definitions for what a processed food is, but I tried to just stick to whole foods that were as close to their natural form as possible. So those are the 5 food groups that I gave up to see if they would make a difference to my knee pain. And I have to tell you, my knee pain is gone almost 100%. I hardly have knee pain anymore after waking up every day for years with knee pain. So you can let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you want me to talk any more about this. I'm going to be sharing about what I do eat, because people always say, well, Karin, what is there left to eat? What do you eat? Do you just eat grass or something? But no, there's lots of good foods out there that I still eat, so I'm going to be sharing more about that. So I hope this helped you. Again, let me know if you have any questions, and if you like this video, please leave me a comment or don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again. See you again soon.